Okay, hey guys, let's understand problem 2924. Find champions 2. Okay, so what this question is saying is, suppose, let me just give you a brief introduction. Okay, I have some teams, okay, and there are n teams from 0 till n. Okay, like this. Means 0 is included, but not n. Okay. Now what this is saying is we have to find a team who will win the round. Okay, suppose if I have a 0 team, the direction shows that 0 is greater than 2. Okay, suppose this 1 is greater than 3. Okay, so we have to find a single team that is the strongest among all of these. Okay, now in this, if I will see that 0 is greater than 2, so I just neglect 2, it lost. 1, it lost. 1 1. Okay, now see, 0 and 1, I can't decide which is greater than another. So 0 and 1 have the same power, so I cannot say that I have single team. Okay, but suppose if I have a direction like this, then I could say that 0 is greater than 1. So I will neglect 1 and eventually only 0 1. Okay, now how will we check like which is greater than which? So if you have known the graph, then you have an understanding of in order degree. Okay, what this means is how many nodes are attached to a single node. Now, if I represent this graph into in order array, it would be like uh, 0 node have an incoming of 0 edges. The 1 node have the incoming of 0. The second node has the incoming of 2 edges, and the third node has the incoming edges as 1. So in this, what we are doing is finding how many edges are attached to a node. Okay, now we can cleverly use this in order degree array or hash map to find which is the greatest team. Now suppose if edge is there from 0 to 1, the 1 would have in order of 1. So the 1 node which has the 0th value will be the highest, and that would be our answer. And if there are many nodes that have 0, then we have to write in -1, because we can't decide among 0 and 1 which is greater if we don't have any edge. Okay, understood how we are cleverly using the in order degree to find which is greater than another. So let's create this. Okay, how about we increase the font size. Okay, now graph, it would be I for I in range n, and I don't need graph, I need in order equals to I for I in range n. Okay, so it would be a hash map from 0 to n-1. Now for a comma b in edges, so this will say that a is greater than b. So a is greater than b, so I have to increase the count of b here. So it would be like in order of b dot append a. Okay, now our result would be for I in order. If in order I is greater equals to 0, if our rest equals to -1, then rest equals to I, else return -1. This will only happens when we have more than 10 values in our in order. Okay, like this will only occurs when 0 and 1. Okay, but in this we have only 1 which have the 0th edges, so it will simply return rest, and let's run this. Okay, and why is it happening so? In order B for I range in order. Can you print in order? Zero is equal to 0. If okay. If not, sorry, I was little wrong. And yeah, just comment this out and submit this. Yeah, accepted. And time complexity is n for this. And hope you understand this concept. If you do, just give it a like and subscribe. Okay, till then, bye bye.